Did you know that you can use Excel to automatically analyze data for you? You no longer need to manually create formulas to get answers on your data. Excel's Ideas does all the work for you. Let's see how this works. Here we have sales data from October to December 2020, showing all product sales made by the company's sales reps to the various customers. You will find Ideas in your Home tab to the right of your ribbon. Click anywhere on your data, then select Analyze Data. This Ideas pane pops up on the right of your data with all these options for analysis. Here you can ask a question, and you can see Ideas provides you with some suggestions for your analysis. You can select which fields interest you the most. Let's click on that to open it up. On the left, you can see all the column headers of your data, and the right shows if this is a value or not. Let's keep all our fields checked as we want to include them in our analysis. And then you can see all the various charts Ideas has provided you. Let's ask, what was the total sales value? And Ideas tells us $281,500 for those 3 months. Next, let's ask how many customers there were. Notice I'm using normal conversational language. That's the beauty of this artificial intelligence. Ideas tells us there were 20. Let's find out which product had the most sales. And Ideas tells us that it was Office 365, totaling sales of $175,200. Next, let's find out the sales reps' sales values. And Ideas provides us with this chart. Let's click Insert Pivot Chart, and this chart is inserted into a new worksheet for us with the pivot data to the left. As you can see, the data is sorted in descending order, so that's quite useful. Let's click on the chart and at the bottom right, drag the chart out to make it larger so that all the sales reps' names are displayed. You can then go on to formatting the chart and including it in your reports and presentations. I'll be doing a video on formatting of charts, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you know when that video is released. You can also check out part 1 of this video on the calculated field function, which shows you how to do calculations outside of pivot tables. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when the next pivot table video drops.